Install plugins in Firefox. Firefox has become one of the most popular web browsers in use today. With its popularity, there are several third-party developers and well as the Firefox development teams that come up with plugins and or extensions that increase the functionality and capability of Firefox from just simply being a web browser. With the installation of plugins you can view videos, listen to music and open and read documents online or even translate some text into another language. Below are the steps on how to install plugins in Firefox. Check what plugins are already installed in your copy of Firefox and locate the available plugins that can be found in the Mozilla Foundation website. Open your Mozilla Firefox browser. Click the Tools menu and look for the extension link from the drop-down. In newer versions, you should click on the Add-ons link. Clicking the Add-ons link will open a dialog box that shows a list of all the plugins that are already installed in your Firefox. At the top of the dialog box are icons that you can click. Choose the Get Add-ons icon. It will show a list of recommended plugins for Firefox. Check if you like any of the recommended plugins by reading the information provided. If you are interested to add any of the recommended plugins, you can select it and click the Add to Firefox button shown in each of the plugin. This will automatically download and install the plugin to the browser. You will be alerted to restart Firefox so that the installation can take effect and the plugin to be available after Firefox restarts. If you do not find anything that you are interested in from the recommended list, you can search for other plugins that are available. On the right-hand corner near the top of the Add-ons dialog box you will find an active link that says Browse all add-ons. Click on it to reach this page. From the page you can search for the particular plugins you want to get and install on your Firefox browser. Check the page and read the description available. You can also check if the plugin that you have in mind is already available by doing a search using the search box. Scroll down the page and take a look at the featured, popular, recently added and recently used plugins. Check the rating and reviews if you have the time. You can gauge the popularity and usefulness of the plugin by the number of stars it has received. It can be subjective though, as choosing and installing the plugins is a matter of personal preference. Choose the one that you like and click the Add to Firefox button to the right of the plugin. You will see a new dialog box for software installation. It includes a warning to install only plugins from trusted authors. Getting the plugin from the Mozilla Foundation website ensures you that it had been screened. Click the Install Now button. It takes 3 seconds for the button to be active. This is a built-in safeguard against accidental installation. Wait for the installation to finish and the alert to restart Firefox. That is all you have to do to install plugins into Firefox. Search for the plugin, select the ones you like, click Install and wait for it to be automatically installed in Firefox, then restart your browser.